Let me put it back. Put it back, put it back, put it back. No, don't put it back. Bring all of this. Give me all of this. All of this. No. Main activity. Huh. It's immediately on start. Is there a book? Is there a view model here? Yes. What is this music? I really don't think this is stream safe, man. It's still Twitch friendly, this was from so long ago. Apparently even though on a stream different, it's not stream friendly, Okay, it doesn't matter, we'll just use something else. YouTube, DMCA, free music. Shut up. Lo-fi chill beats were DMCA copyright free to stream, okay. Yeah, let's do this instead.
Computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Oh, no. Here? So this should launch the trigger flow, the in-app review immediately. One, two, three. The hell? Stuck. Why? Mid value true. And then is ready. Hey Mehul. What's up? Why it don't work? Why? Yeah, it's very cold here. 0 degrees. 0. How cold is it where you're at? Not too cold, I'm guessing. Why is it stuck? 20? Look at this. What is this? Stuck. Why? Let me think. Let me think. 20 degrees, man, what is summer? This I don't need anymore. Okay, stop. Let's go back here and say in-app review compose. Let's just start fresh. In-app review for Jetpack Compose. Let's see how it's done. Compose in-app reviews. This library provides interface default implementation to make it easy to use in-app reviews. A library? Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Using a library to do something that takes 6 lines. App review manager. Activity is equal to activity on review request success. Where does activity come from? Okay. How to test. I don't know. It's winter here, morning it will go down 16, 12. Man, we have -5 here. What's the source like? Where's the app? Source. Default in-app review manager. Launch. Internal cloud. What is this? Review manager. Launch review. Activity on request. What the hell, man? What is this shit in GitHub? Request. Add complete listener. Application content. Return remember. Nah, screw it. If he can do it, we can do it, man. Screw him. Sickeroo him. Hey, scripter. What's your actual name, bro? Why do I need immutable shared flow? Do I understand why I use it? Or am I just... The guy about... Oh yeah, right. No, this is my own application. I've been streaming this for the past 10 days or something. Mutable state flow. This is not one shot, man. It's a flow. It's not inherently one shot. Flow is designed. I don't want asynchronous. I want one shot. Let's use shared flow. It's an app that allows you to basically digitize books. So you have a physical book. There's no way to save parts of it to your phone unless you take a picture. So I made an app that takes a picture of the page and saves it under the book title, so you can have the snippets of your favorite parts of a book whenever you want. Makes sense. No. Yep, that's the same app. Still working on it. This I have here. Yeah. This I have here, but I don't agree with this part. Review manager, review info. So I'll clean this up after it works. I just want to see it working. And I'm gonna have the trigger not here. I'm gonna have it on fine, I'll leave it there. No, I'll have it here. God damn it. And my son doesn't shut up. Okay, so now pressing on add snippets is supposed to trigger the thing, and you're supposed to say it. Press. Ah, yeah. What? I have to go through all of this? Press. 10 years experience, man. 10 years. That's what you get. That's what you get. Yeah! So what's your review on Compose? Very good. The best. But you have to learn about recomposition. So this guy was wrong. It's not review info. Because it's not gonna suddenly it's not gonna suddenly trigger. Like, who's gonna trigger this? He doesn't specify what the trigger is because he's an idiot. But not much of an idiot, because he supplied the rest of the code, so half an idiot. So I want to thank the idiot for solving my problem. Thank you, idiot. So that's how it works. Okay. Don't need the library, don't need nothing, man. So let's clean up. How do we clean up? So, how the hell do you structure this? Look at this shit. Why is this here like that? Can I offload this to a function and call it? Can I not call things here? Like that? Yeah, I can call them. They have to be composable as well. Sure. Let me just fix this first. handle this takes a what? Takes a flow. Ah, right. Uh, Status exception? What status? What status? Hmm. Ah, okay. Dude, bye. Okay. This goes here. I guess. Where's this used? I feel like this goes messy, man. You know? Run again. That didn't work. Why? Why not? What did I change? What did I do? This app? Yeah, no, not yet. But when I want to publish it, yeah, of course. R8, not ProGuard. ProGuard is deprecated. Oh, you don't have control over whether the dialogue appears or not. Google decides that. So let me clear app data, I guess. What the hell is this exception? Could not copy bitmap to parcel blob. Yeah, I'll handle that later. Let me do this. Well, this keeps happening, man. What the hell is this? I've removed the delay, man. Canceling draw, pre-draw listener. Now it's not happening. What the hell? Alright, if possible, do live. I also... I don't care. There's nothing to learn about it. Why would I make a stream about it? Just enable it, it works. Motherfucker, man. On launch review flow info. Initiate binding, link to death, unbind from service. Install callback on get launch review flow. Making requests to Google APIs, fire login, legacy. Internal error. What error? Okay, play. Oh, here? Just being called like again and again. Wait, okay. Press add snippet, trigger this thing. Trigger it again. Go here, launch the thing, come here. So it is successful. True, result. Review info object, it's there. Now, the next thing to happen is here. This one. Doesn't happen. What if I say review info like that idiot did? I worked once though. You saw it, right? No. It worked once. Why is this no longer used? Ah, okay. How was it before? What was that? What did I do before? How was it like? It was working and I said I'd fix it. Right? Let's just see if it's something I did. This is what I don't like about Compose. Too many goddamn things you have to take care of with recomposition. Toggle trigger, toggle trigger. This is how it was. Run. No. Now it stopped working. See, when I go on Stack Overflow and I see a big answer with 0, like this is 90, right? And then this first answer is 0, so I just downvoted again. Because it shouldn't be there. When is this? 2020. What the hell? I saw it working. It appeared for a second. What if I go emulator, right? Let's redo everything, because I believe this is the solution. And not this one, yeah. And just do emulator. You like that scripter? Just spread some hate, you know? Like, just because they wasted my time with looking. Like, why, you know? Have a downvote. And Stack Overflow tells me, like, consider adding a reason. No. No. I won't. What is this? I have to sign in? Oh yeah, of course you have to sign in. Pixel 7a, okay, it is me, yes. Where did the emulator go? It crashed? Where'd it go? You see that? Haha, yeah. Haha, yeah. Dude, I signed in. What is wrong with you? And Android tooling is so bad, honestly. Now we're talking, okay. Take photo, you monkey. It's not appearing. It crashed? Not the app, the emulator itself crashed. There is no crash, there is no stack trace. It's just crashing. Lol. Nice product, Google. Nice work. Nice work. I believe it is working, but I don't know the constraints of when it shows and when it doesn't show. Google controls that. Goggle. Gaggle. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I've already added too many snippets on this account, so I'm not going into this block, man. Why doesn't anybody tell me? No, this block is not even used. I'm using this to trigger it. This always runs. Okay, I'm just gonna let it sit for now. I believe this is working. I believe this is working. I'm just gonna let it sit for now and just add a thing to it. Then I'll show you what happened with the billing. Make sure review app shit is working. This is it, right? Code is much cleaner now. No, it's the same. Okay. Now let me show you how the in-app billing is working. In-app billing. Control Shift H. Yeah. So I'm here. Install. So say I want to buy yearly or monthly. Let's buy monthly. Test card always approves. Test card always declines. Subscribe. Subscribed. Takes you back to the main screen. You are now subscribed. We come here. Order management, let's say. So this is a new order that I just made. I made all of these. Well, this is now. the hell are these? Very sure I didn't do all of these. Anyway, these are the orders that you have. Test yearly, monthly. Yeah, maybe I did. Maybe just by pressing on. Yeah, I'm very sure I didn't do all of these. I'm very sure. I don't know what happened, but it is working. This would be real if it were a real card. So the trick was, all of what I did was correct. The trick was to use an account that's not your developer account that's linked to Google Play. You need to use a different account that's also part of testers, but different than your developer account. Yeah. That was a trick. So that's working. I don't know why this exists. Let's go see what's up with my son. Yeah, so he's still going crazy. So what's the difference? He's 2042. Yeah, you can refund here and it'll reset the counter for, because if I go here now and I say I want to buy again, they're already subscribed. Price after your new subscription starts today, change subscription, it knows everything. Now I can go here, manage subscriptions, and it says active, next payment, etc. Yeah. It's fully working. So now I can charge for it. All I need to do now is just finish up the features basically. But I want someone to help me Jetpack Compose Go Pro screen. I want someone to help me do multi-module. If anybody knows. I'm gonna smoke a cigarette though. Then we talk. I look like I'm sitting in an aquarium. Okay. So I like this Pro screen. I'm gonna copy it. It's very cold, yeah. Still gonna smoke. Copy. How do I get it to myself? 1 second. How cold is it where you're at, bro? What do you do actually? What's your age? How old are you? Where do you work? What do you do at work? Why do you work? This is what we're gonna copy. So we're gonna come here. Oh, I haven't paid for ChatGPT. It can't. I have to design it myself. It's -5 degrees. Wow, where are you? Why are you unemployed? You don't want to work? Turkey. I was in Turkey like 2 years ago. I lost my wallet in an Uber, and the guy returned it. That was the most event. Oh, I got COVID. I ate steak at Guneden. I stayed in the wrong place. I stayed in Beyoğlu. So noisy, man. I stayed in a place where there was like bars, and it was such a terrible experience. But the rest of Turkey was nice. I just picked the wrong Airbnb. Maybe I can find it. Airbnb. Don't I have an account? It's password. Here. In this house. I left a terrible review. Let me see what I told her. This was overlooking the street where all the nightclubs were. And the Turkish liked a party. Oh my god. Such an old town though. And there was like metalheads outside my apartment screaming. I went outside like, fuck off. It's 15 guys and some girls. I was gonna kick their ass, man. Guys drinking. Yeah, they're young, stupid. All young people are stupid. want to see the review I left for her. How can I do that? Historical apartments. Historical. Must be somewhere here. See all 19 reviews. I am somewhere here. Look, all of them 5 stars. They're liars. You cannot sleep if you go to that apartment, man. You cannot sleep. You will not be able to sleep. There I go. That's the only one she replied to. None of them she replied to. Look what I tell her. Happy, 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 happy. Bam! This apartment, yeah, it's disgusting. The apartment is clean, it has some good utilities, but this is all good that I can mention about it. Now I will mention the biggest problem about this apartment. Staying in this apartment was very difficult for us, mainly because of the extreme noise. The apartment is on the ground floor, so the street is 20 meters away from your bedroom. You are surrounded by bars, so there will be cars blasting very loud music almost 24/7. You are unable to sleep each night until 4 a.m. Drunk kids are always passing by, and most of the time they sit right under the apartment shouting, playing music, just being drunk animals. If you love noisy party 24/7, sure, otherwise stay away. This idiot is a recommended clean, gorgeous part of town. It's disgusting, bro. Gorgeous. How not to love this apartment? How? Oh, bitch. Can't believe that I didn't pay for ChatGPT. I can't use this shit. Come on, man. I paid all these months. Give me 1 month free. This month it's tough. I couldn't pay it this month. Okay, how do you design this? That's easy. This I need. Column I need. Oh, this I need. Inscription option. This is what I need to change. So this looks like what? This looks like... Looks like this. So this is working. I just need to change what's inside. And the color. So text, bold, normal, and then text here. That's already, okay, the price is on the right. And per month is under monthly, right? No, there's no per anymore. It's just the price is on the right and some text is under this yearly. And this most popular, I remove it. Or I keep it, I don't know. I'll just remove it for now. So text, image, text, and the thing. Okay, easy. Why don't you work? You're 22, you should start working. Do you have brothers? Where am I now? Subscription option. It's a column. Remove the popular. So text is title. Under it is description, yes. Under it is description. And then a title on the right. Right. So what you do here is add a weight. 1F. And then what you do is just a text here. Price. Those should be in a row. Yup, I think that's it. I haven't applied unqualified IG. I haven't applied any jobs, so I'm not sure if I'm qualified. You're not qualified if you don't have any experience at all whatsoever, of course. What you need to do is work on your own application. Do something worthy, something that teaches you a lot, and you can put it on your CV and you can get hired with that. And you need to put it on the store. There's some work you need to do, but you will be hired if you do that. Because if you do that, you will be good enough. You will become a solid junior. Otherwise, you will not find a job. Not in programming, at least. But you can do it. You're sitting there doing nothing, right? Ah, you're still in uni. Yeah. Do you have a final project in university that you have to submit? I kind of worked in real life app before. Can't mention that on CV. Why not? It's so buggy, man. Why can't you mention it on the CV? And do you have a final project in university? 2 questions. I would like your answer by Monday. It wasn't in the developer team, then you didn't work on it. Next. No, it doesn't count. Do you have a final project in the university? Haha, look at that, it worked. First time. You do. And you're starting to prepare for it now, right? Column? No. Box? Card. I want the stuff inside the card to be in the middle. Card. Alignment? Align? No. Content alignment? Alignment? Vertical alignment. What do you got for me? Center vertically. What if this works? It's an Android app you are preparing. What are you gonna do? And who are the people involved in the project? How many people are you gonna be? Vertical arrangement center. Okay. Two dummies are involved. I will code it alone. Is the idea submitted to the professors already? Because gym app doesn't sound too good, you know? It depends what you're gonna do, but it doesn't sound too good. Gym app, who cares? You need to come up with a problem that exists in the real world that people care about. Because when you do that, the idea submitted weeks ago before I joined the team. Why don't you take control of your life, man? It's as if you're living on the side. Submitted before you joined the team. Take control, make your own team, submit your own idea. Take control of your life. This app, if you work on it well, this is the one that's gonna get you a job. Don't be lazy, man. Don't be lazy. Masturbating. Don't be like me. Of course I'm right. And you are wrong. Go do your own app. Submit your own idea. Let others join you. So you need to solve a problem that exists in the real world so that people can say, ah, instead of saying, ah. They say, ah, instead of, okay, gym app, another gym app, meh, who cares, next. That's what they're gonna do. You need to come up with a idea that solves an actual problem. Is there padding here? There is padding. Vertical? Also horizontal. All padding, bro. 8 dp. Huh? What's that? Why not? Padding 8 dp. For the whole card. Why isn't it padding? There will be two types of users and admin. So I thought I can make a little app for admin. Do you think it's the best practice? No. You need to make a big app, the whole app. You need to come up with a good idea. What does the app do? Tell me. Tell me. I'll tell you what your professors will say, or whoever will look at the app, what they will ask you. Tell me. What does the app do? No. Just tell me what the app does. Okay. Okay. Good, okay. So now, the padding was between the... The app does take new members, help members track their progress. They can check their program or edit their profile. Silly idea. Nobody cares. Silly idea. And nobody cares. Let's look at what you can do. I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. I am a 22-year-old Turkish man from Turkey. This is my last year in university. I have a senior project coming up. I would very much like to develop an Android app that is both impressive and useful. Well, that is useful. That is actually useful in the real world. I want to use this app as a portfolio project so that I may add it to my CV in order to impress any future companies that I will be applying to after I graduate. What would you suggest I develop? He's customizing it to me. He's talking about Booksum. That's my own app. Health and fitness tracker. Well, I'll be damned. Still, it's useless. Don't do it. Community events, useless. Local services, fine, they're useless. Language learning, useless. All of them are useless. Portfolio, apps, suggestions. Social network app for artists, useless. Task management, useless. Travel, useless. Recipes, useless. Fitness tracker, useless. You see why they're useless? I searched on ChatGPT and I searched here. Both of them say the same thing. Fitness tracker. You think you're the only one that came up with this idea? The fact that someone in your group came up with this idea, it means it's so common. Look, everybody said fitness tracker. This is the kind of app you're going to develop. Someone that everybody knows. Fitness tracker. It's like the new to-do app. Used to be about my gym since we already submitted. Yeah, since you are going to submit your life to the decision that's been taken on your behalf, yes. But you can definitely draw out of the team and say, I want to submit my own and I don't want this team. You can be a man, but if you choose not to, yes, it's already submitted. You have to just surrender yourself to life. Note taking, useless. Let's see Notion. Deadline or not, you can still do it. You just have to put in the work. Project showcase. Portfolio project ideas. You can make this idea a photo sharing app that you can just bump or be two Android devices next to each other and they would share their apps. They would share their photos. because everybody goes to WhatsApp, and you have to have their contacts, you have to have their email, you have to have their number, and send me this and send me that. Say for example you're at a party and there's all these people and they want to share photos of the party because everybody leaves the party, and then people are like, hey, where's my photos and all that. Just two devices next to each other, they transfer the photos between each other. You could make that. Yeah, it's called nearby share. I wanted to make it, but later. It's high bandwidth, low latency, fully encrypted, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi using IP, 100-meter range, fully offline, peer-to-peer. You have an advertiser and discoverer. Just bam! Let me show you an example actually, using nearby share. There's two devices. You could steal the walkie-talkie app and say it was yours. Add some nice features to it. You know? You could do a million things. Oh, this is the library, by the way. Come on. Yeah. Because I steal from other people. Launch. So this is the walkie-talkie. Allow. So now it's in state searching, advertising. So we come here. I need to disconnect this thing, actually. I'll just show you on cam. Connected. Okay. So I press the volume button to start speaking here. Hello? 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 It's right there. This is using nearby share. You could use the same thing to share photos. It's instantaneous. Yeah. Look at this, look at this. I knew this was happening. What the hell is this? This is the first purchase I made here, and look at all these being replicated. Why? Why? There is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Oh, you very smart guy. Look how you noticed that. Here also, I'm guessing. Here, no. Here it's more. Here it's how much? 30. Right? Yeah, no, not 30. Yes, 30. Yes. See, that's because it's because of the time difference that each one of them gets cancelled at. I saw this somewhere. Test here, tests. There you go. So 1 week, 5 minutes. Renews. Oh, bro. Do you know why this happens? It's working perfectly, bro. Take a guess, Mr. Smart Guy. Take a guess. You have the production subscription period in reality and the test subscription renewal. If you press on 1 month, the test is going to consider it as 5 minutes because you want to test the subscription. So if someone says, in reality, I want 1 month, it's going to renew every month until the subscription ends. Right? So the test is going to give you, okay, I'm going to renew you every 5 minutes until the test subscription, which is 1 hour, ends. So you see that this test person has renewed from when they bought, which is 7:48 until 7:18, so 30 minutes. Every 5 minutes, so that's 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 renewals. It's working perfectly, yeah. Here as well, they bought here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one was yearly. So this was cancelled. Ah, this is yearly. Okay, so 6 months. Or whatever, I don't know. Yeah, something. Oh, sorry. Both end at... the yearly stays for 30 minutes each subscription. True. But the whole subscription for yearly is basically from 11:42 to 2, so 3 hours. For monthly, it's from 7:53 to 8, so about 30 minutes or whatever. 7:48 to 18, so 58, 8, 30 minutes. The total of monthly is 30 minutes. Each renewal is 5. The total for yearly is 3 hours. Each renewal is 30 minutes. Got it. So I'm gonna refund all of this. and you remove entitlement for all of them. Buyer's remorse. Couldn't be refunded? Why? Why?
Liftoff of mission 41B, the first flight of the orbital Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower.
That's the one at a time.
Now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Okay. So now all of them. Okay. Cool. So yeah, that's the walkie-talkie. You can see it here, nearby share. Nearby presence. Maybe you can make a security app or something, I don't know. Here we go. Am I bored? Am I done with the stream? Yeah, I think I'm bored of talking, bored of coding. I'm just gonna talk if you want. I don't want to code because billing is done. Pro screen is basically done. I know what to do. Should I be in the UFC? Yeah, you can like... If two people are setting that hey, you know, we both have set to chest workout today, okay? And you know, people in the gym, when they're lifting heavy weights, they need someone to spot them. So a guy stands behind them and he goes like, yeah, you can do it, because the weight is heavy sometimes when you're doing chest. So if there are two people with chest, you can say, hey, maybe he can be your spotter, or you can know if there's places, or you can work out together, you and this person who also has chest workout. You could suggest that they be your spotter, or like, hey, he has way more points in the app than you, so maybe he could teach you how to work out. Or you could set looking for trainer, looking for gym buddy, looking for partner in the workout, and you have to go see if someone else on that app, which you're gonna detect when you have the app open, it's gonna detect automatically through 100 meters, and it could suggest like, hey, this guy is also has chest. You could press the walkie-talkie then. You could have a walkie-talkie as well. Press to talk to them. Hey, I'm here. Oh, I'm next to the thing. You could do all sorts of shit. It's a university project. You can go crazy. As long as you do it well and it works. And the samples are there, man. It's finished. You know? Just gotta come up with something around it. That's it. Let's see how much time we spent coding this week. Touching the admin's phone or nearby share. Register users by touching the admin's phone. Huh? Also, if I have the app and you don't, yeah, you could send it over. Or send a link to them. But I'm not sure what you mean there. Hey, I'm on page 25 now. I'm moving up. Look at that. 4 hours average every day. That's pretty cool. Look at this guy, he has no life. Number 1. Like, what the fuck is this? 14 hours per day. What the fuck? What are you developing, man? What are you doing? What, NASA? Get a life. That's not healthy at all, man. This is Waka Time. It's a plugin for several software, including Android Studio and IntelliJ. It tracks how much you work. Waka Time. So this is how much I've worked on this app in the last 14 days. It shows you which, you get the idea. You can get it here. Plugins, Waka Time. Pretty cool. Action bus pattern. I mean command bus. Yeah, I think I made a video about that. Yeah. So the plan here is to build Let's watch my video. Screens that you saw in the course introduction episode. This activity here is going to host both the sign up and the sign in fragments. It's called the entry activity. And we're going to be switching between those two within the same activity. Here we're creating a Firebase user whenever we click on join. And we can go off to the sign in screen through this button. Now over here in the sign in screen, we can go back to the sign up screen as we would expect. And here's where we're going to log in with that same Firebase user we just created. We're also going to enable Google and Facebook login. Is this code available? I think I want to steal it. Fire login. Steal it for myself. Because I want the Firebase login. No, I checked it out. It's not there. It's not full. I haven't pushed it completely. There's no even command bus or nothing. Maybe this is the wrong branch. Oh, damn. Episode 10? Well, I made this? Me? Huh. Weird. I was wondering where this code went. It's in a branch. Base view model, yeah, this is where the action bus was happening. Subject, and you push stuff to it. You don't need any of that anymore with Compose. Yeah, it's a pattern, I don't know when to use it exactly, when not to use it. This is what it does. This other senior guy taught me how to do this, so I copied it for a while.
In both through Firebase here, nothing special here. We get the main activity. I usually like to switch to the project view.
This was a nice theme I had. I want to go back to it. But what was the issue with it? It used the red color for identifiers. The red usually means error. I didn't like that about it. Coin. When was this? January 2021, 3 years ago. I was such an idiot.
Okay then, time for the third and final part of the series on design patterns that a senior Android developer must know. Or was it called the complete guide to Android design patterns? I'm not sure. Anyway, let's begin with the observer pattern. In this example, the observer interface defines a method update that should be implemented.
You know, that's not my voice. That's an AI generated voice.
Implemented by classes that want to observe changes in a data source. The observable interface defines methods for adding and removing observers and notifying observers of changes in the data. The data source class implements the observable interface, and it keeps a list of observer objects that are registered to receive updates.
And the content is from ChatGPT. I just typed it. This example was from, all of the examples are from ChatGPT.
Commands method is called.
I use this 11 labs. Oh, I don't get started, I just want to see sample. Don't I have an account? Yeah, I do.
What's up, Bahatan? What's up, Bahatan? What are you doing, you dirty little boy?
This is my sound. This is my voice. You were not charged for this request? Oh, okay.
What's up, Bahatan? What are you doing, you dirty little boy?
Batuhan. 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 Batuhan.
Batuhan.
Yeah, I wrote it wrong. I read it wrong. Batuhan. This guy says, I noticed you changed your audio recording style. It feels more faster and cleaner. Bro, it's AI generated. Yeah, I know you have a nice voice. I mean name. Yeah. You got a girlfriend? Or also no. You play games? Fortnite? Shit like that? 22? No, 22 you can't be playing Fortnite, alright? You play CSGO. Good. Video games are a waste of time. Don't do that. You waste your life, bro. You got all your life ahead of you. I wish I was 22, man. Ah, Sahaj. 22, I was wasting my life. I started university at 21, can you believe it? And you have final year at 22. You're so lucky. So when you're 36, you're gonna be way more senior than me. Way more. 36. I graduated 26 because I was so bad at math. So I spent like 1 year repeating math courses. Then I graduated. 26. 2014 was my first actual Android job. 10 years ago. That's it. So 10 years ago, how old are 26? Yeah. When you're 26, you will have 3 years of experience. So when you're 36, you'll have 13 years of experience. You're already ahead. When I was 22, I was playing with my dick, man. But, it's because I dropped out of school for 7 years. So, it's not exactly a usual path. I went back to university at around 20. University, or the path that leads to university at around 20. But all those years, 7 years before, I was doing jobs and doing random stuff. I was not studying, you know, for 7 years. Best years? What dream? It's not my dream. My dream is to have an AK-47 and shoot at the enemies of God and die while I am doing that. That's my dream. AK-47. 2 AK-47s. I don't mind. No, I can't. They don't accept only child. Plus, too late. You have to be young, you have to be trained. Takes many years. I can't just run with an AK-47. Plus, I have a family, you can't just leave them. You know, I'm their only supporter. But if you support a family with work and money, it's as if you are doing the other thing. Equal reward. No different. because doing that is also as tiring as the other. God damn, it's so cold. Shit. Hey Luca, what's up? You're a little late. Just sitting, talking now. What do you mean, only child? You can't go to war if you don't have sibling? Yes, you cannot. You can't go to war and you can't sign up for you know who. Well, they can take you, the other group. But both your parents have to sign. It's just too late, you know, I'm meant to be in this world. But I fantasize about the other. But you can fight with other ways, you know. Not always with a gun. If you really want an AK-47, you can come to us, Ukraine. There's a lot of... Yeah. Wrong enemies, though. I fight the enemies of God, not just normal people. I'm on the other war. I want to join the other war, not your war. Your war is for the world. It's for the resources. The other war is for humanity. I've had an AK-47. I know how to pick apart an AK-47. I know how to put together an AK-47. I've been to training, but it's just to see how it's like, not to initiate, not to go and commit entirely. I probably will go again when I go back to Lebanon, but we'll see. Your dream is to have a family and be in Europe. You will spend your time smoking weed, looking at women, drinking. That's all they do here. But they are hard workers. But they drink a lot, smoke a lot. You know? They're bad. I don't like them. They don't have any faith. They don't have any principles. They're animals. Yeah, of course you want a family. You must have a family. There are a lot of people who can be considered non-human. It depends on their actions. Yeah, sure. Sure. Every person can act non-humanly. You can act like a pig. You can act like a dog. Depends on your actions. Do I drink? No, of course not. Don't drink. Don't smoke weed. Don't do any of those bad habits. As of short time ago. Not very long ago. They've always been my goals not to do them, but not all of them have been successful. So drinking, I haven't done that in many years. Weed is recent. I came here, didn't do anything, but eventually I fell, you know. But then I picked myself back up because it's everywhere. You know? Yeah, there's like 7 shops around my house alone. It's everywhere. Of course it's legal. You can go there, buy drugs, buy anything you want. Drugs. Drungs. Let's do some drungs. How do you spell this guy's name? Let's first look at his picture and judge him. Okay. You don't look Ukrainian. I have a Ukrainian friend.
Wil je weten hoeveel jouw auto waard is? Snel en eenvoudig online. Bij wijkopenauto's.nl vul je de gegevens van jouw auto in en ontvang je de verkoopprijs.
Dude, come on, what am I doing? Watch on YouTube.
Олег.
Oleg. In fact, for many Ukrainians, a dream difficult time to reduce demands for life. Yeah. I come from Lebanon, bro. Maybe you just heard of war now recently. We've been at war since 1982, bro. What are you talking about? Now you just heard of bombs and stuff like that. You know what Israel is, bro? Ever heard of Israel? You know it's been bombing the Middle East since the 80s? You heard of that, bro? Bro. Oleg. I have a guy who comes here called Oleg as well. He's not here today, but usually he is. Look at this channel, man. 8520. I've been on YouTube 8 years. 8520. What the hell, man? Analytics. 37 euros. Let's go party. Let's go party. Content. Impressions. 999% more. Yeah, because I'm coming here every day. Should I do some more code, or is my son asleep? I don't know, this is like that. Skip ads. There's only 3 people. I'm gonna do ads for 3 people. Ugh, my head hurts. My hood hurts. No, I'm not gonna touch this. Let's wait for the design. Let's see who can design my app. Design my app, Upwork. 20 per hour, 24 per hour. I don't get why this guy is 70 per hour. So how long would it take him? Experiencing discrimination affects the situation. Israel, lots of Europe countries support it, as far as I know. Yeah, everybody supports it, of course. Discrimination? Well, I don't... at work, everybody knows who I am, what I think. I am against them, and I'm with those other people. End of story. They don't tell you to your face. Maybe behind your back they talk or something, or they don't like you. I don't care, because I'm a Muslim. So they will hate me for that first, not for the Israel thing. So they already hate you for being a Muslim, for example. And I don't mind, because I think they're going to hell. You think I'm Arab scum. We agree. You don't tell me, I don't tell you, right? Oh, they're Muslim. Yeah, you're a dog. You're going to hell. You know? They eat pigs. They don't wash their ass. They drink. And they're talking about me. Who are you? You're nothing. You're trash. Of course you talk about me. That's what trash does. Look up in the sky and think, oh, I wish I could be like that. Fuck you for being like that. You think you're better than us? This is what the dog thinks. You don't bring yourself down to the dog and answer them, because they're a dog. I'm saying if someone thinks like that. I've never seen it face to face, ever. I think it's because I don't look very Arab. I've been told I look more Italian, Spanish. If I did look like Arab, I would have seen it. I used to know this guy who used to get a lot of discrimination, but he was kind of brown. So I'm more like white-ish. So I don't exactly look super Arab. Plus my English, it doesn't sound like I'm Arab. So I'm just lucky. But if I did see any discrimination, I'm already discriminating against you. You discriminate against me. Okay, deal. You know? It's not like I think the people here are, oh, they're so holy. Oh, most of them, I don't respect them. But the Dutch are good people, honestly. They treat you nice. They like you. They're very friendly. I like them. No, it's not fucked up. Adversity is everywhere. There's no such thing as we're all friends and we all love each other. There is no such thing. Wake up. There's wars. People don't like each other. This is the state of the world. It has always been like this. It will always be like this. This is how it's supposed to be. How do you manage to get most of the things done from keyboard only? I made a video about that. If you go to my channel and you come here, you press on this video.
I have 3 desktops or workspaces on a Mac. Editing software, anything that I'm gonna use for Spotify, for Window Manager. Details go down to the bottom of the page. So these don't change. And go to documentation.
This thing I stopped using it. But mainly there's an extension here called Vimium, so I use it. I can do like scroll. I can press on something. For example, I want to press on this view profile. I press SE. I'll go back. Look at Murad. Karachi. He's a Karachi teacher. And go back, go forward. The shortcuts everywhere for everything. And in the IDE, I use IDEA Vim. Hello Rohit. How are you? Not really coding, just talking. Or caulking. So much of my audience is from India. So much of it. Most of it. Hey, at least it's not Americans. الموت لأمريكا. Plus the Indians are very smart people. Very intelligent. Okay, I'm gonna go sit outside, do something else. In-app billing works. Yeah, thanks for hanging out, Batuhan. I'll see you later, my friend. Goodbye, everybody. Get stuck on how to use side effects. Can you help me? Help you? Look it up. ChatGPT, you know. I need help. Oh, am I gonna help you? I need help. I don't understand side effects. Hey Rook, thank you. Yeah, or maybe ChatGPT it. Because they're not, I think that's the most complicated part of Compose, recomposition, which gets exposed when you want to use effects. Effects really test your knowledge of recomposition, you know? So, yes, I'll see you later. Goodbye.